Okay, so here's what I'm working with. My problem is my desk tripod is too short. My full-size tripod is too big and bulky for my GoPro. My solution is to find a desk tripod with about 10 to 12 inches of extension. And I'd also like a lightweight portable tripod for the GoPro. So here's what I came up with. They came today. Let's have a look at them. These are the two tripods that I ended up settling on. The MT-47 for my camera and the MT-44, which is a lower price tripod for the GoPro. Taking a look inside the box, we have the instructions, a couple Allen keys, and a certificate. That looks kind of dried out, doesn't it? I went ahead and wiped it off. It comes right off. So there it is, extended up all the way. Pretty sturdy, I would say. Tilting it down. Pretty good. So, and if you wanted to use it as a selfie stick, let's see. All right, up next is the MT-44. These are like 20 bucks on Amazon. This one's like 50 because it's made of metal and built quite a bit better. This one I don't know if I would put a camera on it. Seems a little light duty for that. GoPro or cell phone, yeah. All right, be smarter than what you're working with. Let's see, okay. Cell phone holder. Since I want to put a GoPro on it, I need to put one of these on here. Throw the GoPro on here. I got these longer ones. The shorter ones, if anybody has one of these, you know it's a pain in the butt to tighten them. This one sticks out nice and far, past the medium odd, and it's quite a bit easier to work with. One opens the same way. And you can lock that. Okay, as you can see, it's quite tall. Pretty shaky, but it settles out pretty quick, and that's fine. But it's portable, and I can take it places, and that's why I wanted it. So yeah, I think it'll work just fine. As far as these Ulanzi products, I wouldn't put my camera on this one, but it's good for the GoPro. And that's what I bought it for. So the other one, I'm actually using it right now. So if you're interested in these products, consider using the affiliate links in the description. They help the channel a bunch. Thank you, and see you in the next one.